Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to switch your chat between light and dark mode in WhatsApp. Whether you prefer a light interface or a darker theme to reduce eye strain, follow these simple steps to customize the look of your chat. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. When the WhatsApp application opens on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. A small window will open where you will scroll down to the Settings option and then click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will look for the Chats option and then click on it. And then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, scroll down to the default chat theme option and click on it. Here it is enough to click on any theme, and then when a new page opens, you will see an option in the lower right corner of the screen and click on it. The application will switch you to dark mode. Clicking on the same option again will return you to a lighter mode. It is up to you to decide which mode you want. After selecting the mode, it is enough to click on the confirmation in the lower right corner of the screen, and then when a small window appears, you will also click on the Set Theme option. And that's it! You have successfully changed the chat mode on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.